The province of Guimaras is not just a haven of the world's sweetest mangoes. It is also home to beautiful and empowered women whose beauty shines beyond the shores of our renowned beaches.
Mayong gabi, Guimaras!
This evening, I am very excited to welcome you all in this celebration. As of course, we look forward to see our next Miss Guimaras shine, not just on the local stage, but of course, even in the national and international stages.
A wonderful evening to all, and happy 31st Manggaan Festival. To the candidates, embrace your inner beauty and channel inner sparkle. Be proud of who you are, show your passion, and let it shine tonight.
Nangin balantayan na, kagida ka lang kagan, ang pagpasugdayat sang aton nga mga linay nga nagikan sa lima ka mga banwa. Bangod sa ila pinasahit nga katahom, kag dalayawon nga talento. Long live the beautiful people of the province of Guimaras.